Now I'm going to actual, okay? It's the actual. Conditional formatting, manage rule, and my notepad where I use it now for my formula. Okay, so I'm going to type here G, here is F, here is G, and this is G. I'm going to type this again. This is okay, but this is going to be F, and this is going to be G. I'm going to copy this, okay, and actually here, conditional formatting, manage rules, edit, paste this. Okay, now it's going to change this, as you can see. So this is completely empty now. Let's say that we have here 50, 40, 30, okay, 60, 60, 20, 50, okay, here we have 20 and 30, okay. So we are here today to this point, okay. We have the actual now. This one, echt burn down, okay, and the series is here. Okay, and then I'm going to add another one, which is act. Get whole, okay, that's good. Then I'm going to my table, and here where is plan is act, okay, and then is act burn down, or burn down act for actual plan. Okay, here we are. I go to my dashboard. I'm gonna change this, select data, this one, edit, and the format of the date can be like this, okay. As you can see here, we have this now, okay, where we do this, okay. We can also decide to show only part of this, and then and burn down. This is this one. Only show or the progress of the burn down chart or the current values per month using checkboxes, okay.